3.4 Haute Diggity Dog Court Reasoning. Reasoning 4. Number 3. Parody as constitutionally protected expression. A parody must convey two factors. Number 1. Allude to the original mark, but yet directly refers back to the parody mark as a singular source origin in minds of the consumers. Number 2. Parody message must differentiate from the original mark via communicating some articulable element of satire, ridicule, joking, or amusement to the public. Leveraging this difference from the original mark produces the desired effect for a successful parody. For a trademark parody necessarily copies enough of the original design to bring it to the mind as a target. A successful parody also distinguishes itself and, because of the implicit message communicated by the parody, allows the consumer to appreciate it.